So with that too, people who have that habit of cracking their own neck, once you start to get adjusted, you'll find you feel the need to do that less and less, because we're actually moving those areas that are stuck, that are giving you that urge to want to crack your neck. Good, relax it all the way out. Okay, I'm gonna have you elevate your pelvis, get a little higher, glute bridge, tuck your chin. Good. So you probably most often are whipping your head this way, get it to a pop there, and maybe the other direction in the lower part. So we're gonna go down into the base of the neck. That's good. Perfect.
All